Hold on. Okay, come on. Fuck's sake. Hold on. Alright, we're almost there. I'm ordering McDonald's on the phone. I'm going to try it this way. See if it's a little faster, okay, Barles? You are.